Right now, and months after the deadline, thousands of property owners in Jackson County are still waiting for the chance to appeal their property tax assessments. Some people saw increases up to 200%. The Missouri Attorney General's office has filed a lawsuit over the assessments, which are overseen by the county executive, Frank White. Jackson County filed a response seeking to have the case dismissed and denies the allegations. I've requested at least 5 interviews with the county executive since June of last year. Frank White has never agreed to an interview, but he did speak with KMBC 9 Investigates at a public event earlier this month. And tonight, we're holding the powerful accountable.
Longtime first base coach Frank White.
KMBC 9 Investigates found Jackson County Executive Frank White earlier this month at the Monarchs Title Championship celebration. We took the opportunity to ask about the state lawsuit against him, Assessor Gail McCann Beatty, and the Board of Equalization over the county's 2023 property assessments.
Oh, come on now, you'll mess up a whole good evening with something like that. They sue in the county. I'm not into that. So I don't even want. No, you're messing up a good night. So I'm out of here. See ya.
White continued speaking, and when our photographer asked him to repeat what he said,
I was just asking you. Just get away from me. Don't try to set me up. Get the hell away from me. Get the hell away from me.
Following this encounter, KMBC 9 Investigates made another request for a sit-down interview with White. We were never able to reach an agreement.
The reality that the county executive has too much power in this form of government is clear, and this is a bipartisan approach to that agreement.
County legislators Sean Smith and Manny Abarca are from different sides of the aisle.
Do you know what the process is in negotiations?
But they both say the Jackson County legislature is not run as a democracy. It's controlled by the county executive.
He has control over the end-to-end process through the people he hires and has, the authority to terminate. I think we could unanimously vote to get a new assessor if we could terminate the one we have on the legislature. But legally, we don't have that authority. That strictly resides with Frank.
Smith and Abarca requested a state charter review to determine what was going on with the sky-high property tax assessments and general procedures within the legislature.
And there's, unfortunately, only one person who can begin the process of a charter review, and that would be the county executive. And this year, he took out. Last year, we at least had money in the budget for a charter review. This year, he removed that in the budget that he provided to us.
I mean, we're going to be driving our county into the ground because we're pushing people out through these terrible reforms that this executive and assessor has deployed on us.
Late Friday, we got a statement from the county executive's office about the county charter review. It says in part, the executive has made, quote, multiple attempts to appoint a charter review committee. Unfortunately, these efforts have been blocked. The statement goes on to say that the funding for the review in this year's budget may be used to cover more than $1 million in costs used to hold the April 2nd election on the stadium sales tax. KMBC 9 Investigates has also asked the Board of Equalization and the county assessor for comment, and we're still waiting for their responses. A judge is scheduled to hear the lawsuit in early June. We'll let you know what happens. Our investigation into Jackson County's tax assessments continues tomorrow night at 6. County legislators Manny Abarca and Sean Smith talk about the laws they say were broken during the process and who they say is responsible.